Trend FFP3 NR Valved Respirator is a compact, lightweight face mask and provides over 99% filter efficiency for superior respiratory protection. In comfort and with efficiency, you can work safe and breathe easy. The FFP3 filter offers protection from MDF, hardwood and silica dust. The exhalation valve minimises breathing resistance and has adjustable straps for better fit and comfort. It's suitable for up to 8 hours use, provides over 99% dust capture for increased protection and has an assigned protection factor of 20 for safer working. It features an adjustable metal clip for efficient nose seal. The valve reduces breathing resistance and increases comfort. The 4-point straps allow adjustments for optimal face seal. And the full surround internal seal minimises inward leakage. The FFP3 is suitable for MDF, fiberglass, silica dust, soft and hardwood, ply and particle board, social and domestic use, stone and metal grinding. The Trend FFP3 NR Valved Respirator for comfortable, effective and reliable respiratory protection.